welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I won't be doing any crafting today. We're actually doing a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree Saturday morning and picked up some stuff. I wanted to get some spring, summer stuff. My Dollar Tree suck though, so it's kind of not there yet. So I did get a few things that are interesting and a few just standard things. So I'm just going to go through it, stick around, see what you think, see what you like, see if your Dollar Tree has all of this that I have at my Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure you probably do because, again, my Dollar Trees suck. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and I'm going to start with the craft stuff and then move into just regular household stuff. Okay, here we go. So first, every time you go Dollar Tree, you got to get the nautical rope. So I did get some nautical rope. Now be careful when you see these because they have either the 11-foot, which is what I got, or they have the 6-foot length. You don't want the 6-foot length if you can get 11 feet for the same price. So anyway, so just check that out. It's right here in the corner there. It does say 11 feet. Okay, so that's that. And then I picked up some fabric. I don't know why exactly. I want to try to make a wreath. I don't know that this is going to be enough to make a wreath, but that's the idea. Now, every time I pick these up, I don't use them. So we'll see if I can put these to use. And so I got black and gray and this kind of grayish, blackish buffalo check. And then the gray stripes. And they all go together very well. And if you all know anything about me, you know that these are my colors. So that was good. And with that, I also got this gray elastic band. Again, what am I going to use this for? Who knows? But I saw it and I just got it because I had to. And I picked up a wreath form because I need a wreath. I have nothing on my door right now. So I do need a wreath. Now my door is that bright turquoise color, which is fine if you don't put anything on it. But with a wreath, I probably will try to use that fabric so that it goes along with that bright turquoise or teal door. So anyway, so a Dollar Tree wreath form. And while I was in that section, they had some garlands and I picked them up. So the first, let's do this one first. This one is just big leaves. Now I won't use this as a garland, but I will use the leaves, on their own. So that one, and then the green garland. So that's helpful because it's green. Is this what, eucalyptus? Is that what that looks like? I think. And I think it's kind of shiny, so I think if I were to dry brush it in some manner, it would probably look okay. So, and it's pretty long. What is this? 5.5 feet for this one. And then I picked up some of the solar stake lights. I've seen so many people do DIYs with these. I really like them. So I picked up just 2 because I'm not really sure how I'm going to use them. But I did pick up 2. So that's that. And I hadn't seen these in my stores yet. I did see someone use them in a craft. I don't remember who. Maybe the Crafty DIY guy, because I watch his videos a lot. So maybe him, but these DIY wood dice. And there are 3 in each package, which to me seems stupid. You should have either 2 or 4. But anyway, so I got 2 packages. I have 6 now. So that's that. And then we have stickers. Now these are just square stickers. They do have a texture on them. And so I figured if I were to paint them, I would still be able to see the texture. Or in theory, you use them just like this because they are normal colors, just white and gold with no glitter. So they are good just as they are as well. But I was thinking of probably painting them, using them maybe as corners on a picture of some sort or wall art of some sort. That's my idea. We'll see if that happens. And crafting is almost over. So I picked up 2 of these. They're kind of big, sorry. 2 of these wall decor. They're the same on both sides, which is wonderful because if you like the pattern, you don't have to do anything. You just, do whatever. So normally I would probably take the top off, but the star is good for 4th of July. So we'll see if I can use this for 4th of July in some manner. And again, I got 2 of these colors, of this color like that. But here's what I'm most excited about. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I am. They had this distressed wood looking one. It's supposed to go like this. Distressed wood looking one with a star. So the star, again, I can cut off and use elsewhere, or I'm okay with keeping it or doing something behind it or in front of it. But look at the distressed wood look, and it's on both sides for this board, so that was delightful. And I just love it. I think it's great. It's just named decor, and this was in the craft section. Now they had the others in the beach area. They had white, the wood one that I just showed you before. They had dark blue, and I think there was a red probably. But they had, the sea fish and this shell and whatever the beach theme was. So I wasn't going to go with the beach theme, but I do love that they had this distressed wood look. Nothing in my house is distressed wood, but I love it, so that's what I got. And that's it for the crafting stuff. That's it. Like, there's nothing at my Dollar Trees. As if y'all ever see, my Dollar Trees suck. But, they're all made differently, so you got to work with what you got. So, moving along, I picked up some scissors. Now, I do only ever get... Uh-oh, there went that. So I do only ever get the Westcott scissors. It is a good name brand, and they are the titanium, whatever you call it, blades. I don't know if that makes a difference because when I buy them, they do go dull quickly still. But anyway, so I got 2 of those. One is a 7-inch with a round tip, and then the normal, 7-inch and 8-inch is what I got. And keep your receipt, scan it into Fetch Rewards. You can get gift cards from Fetch Rewards just by scanning in your receipts. So always keep your receipt. And these, I got 2 of these. They are towel racks. They don't have to be for towels though. They could be for so many things. So you hang it on your door or whatever, and then you've got this bar where you can hang other stuff. Now, IKEA has those cute little baskets that you could hang from here, and you could organize your pens or scissors or millions of craft tools that we all have. You could do that, or just use it as it's meant for a towel bar. I picked up 2 of those, and carabiner, is that how you say it? I don't know. A clip, because I, for whatever reason, always put my keys on a clip. So I picked up one of those. Whatever, I don't know. And Mother's Day is around the corner. So I picked up a Mother's Day card. I think there are some that are 2 for $1 and some are $1, or no, 2 for $1.25, I guess. And otherwise they're $1.25. Still cheaper than the regular stores, unless your regular store has a dollar section, which I noticed some do. So pay attention to that, because then it would only be $1 instead of $1.25, and save money here and there. It adds up. Anyway, so I got my mother a Mother's Day card that I'll need to mail right away because she is in Minnesota. And some folders. Now this is not a good deal at all. How many are there in here? There are 3 folders in here. Not a good deal because in about 2 months, these are going to be like 10 cents at Walmart, or Target. But I need them now, so I had to pick them up now. So there are 3, and they're blue, pink, and purple, it looks like. So some folders. And then for my household stuff, my actual household stuff, I picked up a lint brush. I have a dog and a cat, both of which love shedding. Normally I get the tape lint roller, but it's such a waste and they go so quick. So I'm going to try this. We'll see if this works. It's got an edge where you're supposed to just be able to get the lint off. So we'll see if that works. I don't know. And then, because I'm old school and I don't use a curling iron, I picked up some rollers. Now Dollar Tree has those foam rollers that are long and skinny. That's what I've been using, but they didn't have them because why? Because my Dollar Tree suck. They didn't have them for some reason, and I need one more package. I need just a few more curlers. So I picked these up, but I figured these would work for my bangs, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, people. I don't know, but I got them, so there you go. And then the Sugar Lip Scrub, which is what I use every day, and I love it. So I purchased another one of those. And because we're doing our spring cleaning, we meaning me, because the dog and cat certainly aren't going to clean nothing. They're just going to make it worse. And I picked up this duster, microfiber duster, and this one is also a microfiber duster. I kind of am thinking this might be better than this. I don't know. I don't know. I have those feathery looking ones that you put on the wand right now. That's what I've been using. But I figured I'd try these because those that I've been using, you have to throw away. They're not washable or anything. These would be washable, and so they would last much longer, and I could buy less often, have less garbage, all of that. So I picked those up. And then some Brillo pads, just, you know, most of the pots I have are stainless steel, and so every once in a while, there is going to be something at the bottom of that pan. For stainless steel, if you cook it and let it cook, and then take the food off, it pretty much doesn't stick if you do it properly. But every once in a while, I ruin a pan. So, got the Brillo pads. And the Brillo pads, too, are good for just the sink, too. And, you know, you use them like that as well. And last, this is a really exciting haul, guys. I know it is. It's so exciting. If any of you are left, we've got some styrofoam cups. I am diabetic, and so I, once in a while, will need some juice. And instead of dirtying up a cup, I do use styrofoam cups. Now, I just talked about saving the earth and, you know, doing all that. And then I get some styrofoam cups. Does that make sense? No. But that's what I do. So, I got the styrofoam cups because they are very easy to use and toss. That's it, guys. That was my haul. It was a pretty sucky haul. I think it was $43. The 25 cents really does add up over a course of many items. So you really do have to decide if it's worth it. But I think what I got is fairly worth it. I'm good with it. I'm happy. And I got what I needed. So that's important for me. So if you would, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. And of course, subscribe. What's the purpose of watching if you don't go ahead and push the subscribe button? When you push the subscribe button, also push the bell, because when you hit the bell, it will remind you when I have a new video. I'm not one that does more than one video a week. It's Tuesdays, and that's what I do. That's what I stick with. So you'll get a notification once a week when I have a video. So I thank you so much for stopping by. Please do remember to always appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised, as I learned early on. Go ahead and appreciate today, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Y'all have a good one.